Hello everyone. Welcome back to Step by Step English. Do you have favorites, like favorite color, food, sport, or even a movie? But can you talk about it in English? Just stay with me. This lesson is for you. Today we will learn simple expressions and examples to talk about your favorites. So let's start. Favorites in English. To express your favorites, use these two questions. What is your favorite, or do you have a favorite?
What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is pizza.
What is your favorite color?
I really love blue. Do you have a favorite sport?
Yes, I enjoy basketball.
Do you have a favorite movie?
Yes, my favorite movie is Titanic. What is your favorite weather?
I am a big fan of rainy days.
Do you have a favorite animal?
Yes, I really like cat. What is your favorite drink?
I prefer tea.
Explanations.
We use what is your favorite to ask about food, colors, weather and drinks.
We use do you have a favorite to ask about sports, movies and animals.
Instead of saying my favorite is, say I really love, I enjoy, I am a big fan of, I really like, I prefer.
Do you have a favorite animal?
Yes, my favorite animal is cat.
No, I do not have my favorite animal.
Now, it is your turn. Share your favorites in the comments below. If you like my content, don't forget to subscribe, like and share for more lessons. Thanks for watching.